In this video I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok before 7 days need to go by. So if I go to my TikTok app, go to profile and edit name, you know that you can change your nickname only once 7 days. So to change it even before, you need to go to the hamburger menu on the top right, click on settings and privacy. From there scroll down until you see report a problem. It's right here below support and about. You click on that, then go to search and type in name and then click on updating name. From here, once this loads up, you want to click on the no button and then click on need more help. From here, you need to tell them your feedback. So you can write something like, I want to change my name because my friend changed it for me, for example. Or if you have a better reason, you can give them a much better reason. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.